Something SigEnergy has done, which is unique to them, is create an integrated DC electric vehicle charger. This is a separate unit, which if you decide to get it, would sit below the energy controller and replace one of the battery modules. You can have either 6 battery modules or 5 and an EV DC charger. The DC charger is available in 2 different sizes, a 12.5 kilowatt and a 25 kilowatt module. It comes with 3 different cables, a 5 meter, 7.5 meter and a 10 meter cable. It's CCS Type 2 only, not AC Type 2 or Type 1, so your car will need to have a CCS 2 port for you to be able to use this. SigEnergy do also sell a docking station for the charging gun to sit on the wall next to the battery system. Something to think about if you're on a single phase supply is that the largest inverter capacity you can have is 12 kilowatts. So if you get the 25 kilowatt DC charger, it will only be able to draw 12 kilowatt from the grid at once, meaning the other 12 kilowatts will need to come from your battery system. So you're going to need a really big battery system for that to work. So probably on a single phase supply, you want to stick to the 12 kilowatt DC charger. The charger is bi-directional, meaning it can feed electricity from the battery in the house into the car, but it can also feed electricity from the car back to the house and the battery. Now this is currently being tested in the UK, and vehicle to home or vehicle to grid is not really commercially available. But if you do get one of these chargers, then it's got the functionality to take advantage of that technology if it ever becomes available.